Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I haven't seen you guys in about a week. I filmed a few other videos, but I ended up just scrapping them because they were not good. Today, as you know by the title, we are doing a full unboxing of all the PR I actually got in the month of February. I want to start this series on my channel every month, just showing you guys what I get in the mail. Out the month, I do use these products, and that's when I take it over to TikTok and I tell you guys like my full thoughts and opinions. But for this series, I want to share all the details, thoughts, and first impression. If you guys want to see more of my genuine thoughts and reviews, I do a lot of those on TikTok as well, more frequently than I do on YouTube. Go watch my TikToks. Those are more shorter length videos, but I mean, I can do them here on YouTube too. Just let me know in the comments. I'm extremely proud of how far I've come in my journey as far as even creating content, doing makeup artistry, and freelance. Of course, I would not be here today if it wasn't for you guys, and that is a constant reminder that I will always share with you. My original baddies are from Instagram, but if you guys have now found me through YouTube or TikTok, please leave a comment down below. I just want to know where you're finding me from. I would be nothing without your guys' support, so again, thank you so much. So I'm going to start off with the small businesses first. I got this PR package from Vlam Cosmetics. They sent me a whole bunch of nice things. They did use this bronzer palette yesterday. I'm obsessed with the formula. They did give me a discount code to share with you guys. It is Breesglam on their entire website. Today my eye look is using their palette. This is the Glam palette. I am obsessed, you guys. Like, this is so euphoria, and I just love also the nudes. You guys know I'm a good like neutral nude kind of girl. The glitters are stunning. I use this gold shade today for my eye look. I'm obsessed. She also sent me over some lashes. These are super cute. They're like a little bit, there's one that's kind of extra and two that are more minimal, not so much drama, more like natural wispy, which is my fucking vibe. Another like blush palette and highlighters. I have yet to try these, but I'm very excited. I will be probably doing like a full updated full face routine. I've changed a couple ways on how I do my makeup. She also gifted me 2 beauty sponges, which you can never go wrong with. Oh my god, I love beauty sponges. And some adhesive, which is fucking clutch because I needed some. I really did not have any more left. She also sent me this brush set with a cute like little bag. I love this. I've been using a lot more travel bags and like caboodles because now that I go to my boyfriend's house all the time, I do take my makeup with me sometimes to film there. So these do come in handy. I used to not be a fan of like little makeup bags and stuff because I would never use them, but now that I am on the go more, they are so handy. But anyway, that bag was for the brush set, so she sent me this brush set. It has some face and eye. Again, thank you so much to Vlam Cosmetics. You can use my code Breesglam on anything on their site. If you guys are new here, you might not have seen my previous video where I reviewed a full face of Rare Beauty. I am now on the Rare Beauty PR list, so they did send me over everything that I used in that video. And again, thank you so much to Rare Beauty. If you guys ever see this, I'm gonna insert the clip, the TikTok that I made of all the items that I got in PR. But they also sent over this tote bag, which I use every day for the last month. It is so freaking cute. It says Rare Beauty on it. It's just like a puffer tote, but you guys, like, if you know, you know. I carry my laptop everywhere, my iPad, all of my camera and devices, like all of my electronics, so this is definitely came in handy for me. I am a huge fan of their soft pinch liquid blush. They sent me a few new shades plus the illuminator. I am so excited to keep using these in my tutorials and to keep sharing like new ways that you can use the product, because this is more than just a blush. You can use it for your lips, you can use it for everything, your eyeshadow. I'm obsessed with the illuminator. And they also sent over their mascara and their liquid eyeliner. I've been testing these out on my TikTok a lot, so if you guys want my full thoughts and opinions, either watch that Rare Beauty video that I already made or go to my TikTok because I use them like all the time. I got a ton of new glitters from another small business, Shop 108 Cosmetics. My girl sent me over a bunch of her glitters. I've been using them in my TikToks all month long. I'm obsessed with her glitters. They're so affordable. I'm gonna put her Instagram and link it in my description as well if you want to shop anything. 108 Cosmetics, I also have a discount code Breesglam. I love supporting small businesses. That is just something that I've always done over my course of doing makeup. I love shopping small. I also know the importance of shopping small as a small business owner myself, so if you guys can shop anything from these small businesses with my code, it would mean the world to me to show your support. Okay, I also got a new PR package from Milani. Of course, they always send me like bomb stuff every month, and I do make those dedicated videos where I show you guys like the unboxings and everything. I got so much stuff from them this month, a lot of their Flora collection. They send stuff so frequently though. This is their new PR package for the month of February. Anti-gravity mascara. But look at how cute this is, you guys. It opens up. I've never gotten like cute PR packages like this before, so it was my first one. So this includes their anti-gravity mascara, which I always wear in my TikToks. I have a few of these already because they keep sending them. But they also sent their new highly rated lash and brow serum. I did test this out. I've been using it for a few days now. I'm gonna give you guys my final thoughts later on TikTok or even on YouTube if you want a video, but I want to use it for a few months and see if there's really any growth, so that way I can tell you like my full thoughts and opinions. The artwork on the PR package though just goes crazy. I'm obsessed. I'm gonna keep this forever, and I will put the artist tag in the description. I did find a few more Milani things that they sent me. I will share with you guys. They sent a lot of stuff I like honestly can't keep up, but this is the Make It Last alcohol based spray, and then the Make It Dewy, which is their more radiant glowy spray. We also have another Flora collection lip liner. They have a few new shades for the Flora collection of the Color Fetish lipstick shade Phony. I've been using this one a lot, so it's not like fresh out of the packaging, but they did send that over. We also have the Gilded Flora palette. I did do a few looks with this for TikTok. This is such a cute spring vibe palette, you guys. I'm obsessed with Milani's formula. You guys know that. I also have a few more of their color crayon like jumbo eye pencils. NYX has the jumbo eye pencil, but these are the Milani ones. I'm obsessed. I have not yet tried them, but I'm very excited to do a look with them. I love like jumbo eye crayons, you guys. I feel like they're just so easy to do looks with, like especially if you're on the go. I also have talked about Bosma Beauty before in a lot of my other videos. They had sent me these originally for myself, and then I loved the foundation so much, you guys, that I couldn't stop talking about it, and I wanted to switch my foundations in my personal freelance kit to these foundations, and Bosma freaking DM'd me and reached out and said, let me send you some. Oh my god, I'm so thankful. Thank you guys so much from Bosma for sending me these shades for my personal freelance kit. It means the world to me. Foundations are so expensive, and if you guys are freelancers along with me, you know how much that this saves money. I appreciate this so much, Bosma. You guys are the best. You have the best formula ever, and I'm so excited to share these with my clients. I know they're gonna love them. They're small business, but Fablocks sent me their lip plumpers. I have yet to do a TikTok with these, so I will be posting this soon if you guys follow me on there. But I like that some of them were tinted and some of them were clear. This one happened to be tinted. I love that it's in a squeezy tube, and I also like that it has an applicator, so we're gonna see how these work. But thank you, Fablock. Never believe who freaking found me. Skincare by Hiram. I can't believe it because, you guys, I used to watch Hiram, and that's where I learned a lot of my skincare like needs and what products are good for you, what products aren't. I'm obsessed, and thank you so much to Selfless by Hiram. They are partnered with the Inky List, so thank you to the Inky List as well. I did not expect you guys to ever find me. They sent me over a few of their skincare products. So this is a gel cleanser, and this is a niacinamide AM and PM moisturizer. I actually did use this in my makeup routine yesterday, and my skin felt so bomb. This is the full size of the gel cleanser. I also have the salicylic acid and sea kelp serum. I'm very excited to do like a dedicated skincare review video. You guys have been asking me for what is my skincare routine, or like what products are good for your skin, so I am gonna be telling you guys after I use these products for a few months. Really use them before I recommend. This is that niacinamide moisturizer, and I was really surprised how well my skin felt and like how hydrating I felt after. Like I said, AM and PM. Thank you so much, Selfless by Hiram. You don't even know how much it means. So I also got a few more skincare items from Bondi Sands, which is an Australian based tanning company. They have moved into the skincare realm, and I'm so excited to share that with you guys. Using these products for a few weeks. I've even used some of their moisturizer on my client. I depotted some before I even went in with my own. But you guys, I'm excited. They sent me over some more stuff. This is Sunny Days, which is their SPF moisturizer. I have their buffing chemical exfoliant. It's a buffing polish, which also includes AHA and BHA, which I'm obsessed with a chemical exfoliant every now and then, not like every single day, but like at least once every 2 weeks. I also have the Fountain of Youth serum. Excited to try. I love trying new skincare products because you guys, skincare, that's the most important part. We also have their Daydream Whipped Moisturizer. This is what I've been using for the last couple weeks. I also, like I said, depotted this to use on my clients. I have sensitive skin and acne prone skin, so this was fire. It was amazing on one of my clients who does suffer from hormonal acne. I'm obsessed with the way it feels. It is a whipped texture. I really like that. I might do a full dedicated Bondi Sands review video if you guys are interested. I could really talk about the details of the products and everything, but I am excited to say the least. I'm also excited to try Sunny Days. This is their SPF moisturizer. I use my Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I love Supergoop stuff from another small business. This is from Nola Skin Essentials. They sent me their Not Your Ordinary Makeup Melting Balm. I'm obsessed. It feels so hydrating after, which is kind of crazy because I've been through so many makeup balms. Like, I know what's good and what's not. This is really bomb. It's organic, paraben free. It has no fragrance at all. It is green, which is like kind of funny because it looks like guacamole to me. It has sent me a lot of skincare stuff in the past too. I've been using it for a year and my skin has never looked better. So I honestly think it is due to the organic ingredients that they have in their product. Also, to just throw that out there, they are Black owned, and I think that you guys should really check them out. They have grown so much from last year when I found them, so I highly recommend. I have another makeup melting balm from a skincare company called Happiness. Explained to me that this is a makeup melting balm, but what's unique about it is that these inserts are refillable. So once you buy one of these jars, this insert comes out. Once you finish your balm, you can go ahead and join their subscription, get an insert refill, and you don't have to keep throwing away the jar. You can just simply get the refill and put it right directly in, and you have your cleansing balm set. I love that because it's less waste and more sustainable. Their cleansing balm is actually really nice. Some makeup cleansing balms that melt down the makeup, but then when you rinse it off, it has like a very thick residue and it gets in your eyes and it's really annoying. And I have some brands that I know and love, and I have some brands that I've tried and I'm just not a fan. It's a great one. It doesn't give you that weird white cast in your eye, and it melts down everything pretty fast. You don't have to work too hard when you're taking off the makeup. Okay, last but not least for the month, we have ColourPop, you guys. Oh my god, I am so excited and so forever fucking grateful. Oh my god, I can't even believe that ColourPop knows who I am. You guys, this is such a big moment for me. I never would have thought that I would be recognized by that company. They are huge, and if you guys follow makeup, you know how big they are and how long they've been a staple in the makeup industry. Some of my very first YouTube videos that I have archived already, you guys cannot see them, but those very first YouTube videos that I made a few years ago were all with ColourPop products, so this just means the world to me that they reached out and put me on their PR list. I still am in disbelief. Thank you so much to ColourPop if you guys ever see this video. But let's get into it, bitch. Okay, we have their new retro blush. They did let me pick this out. I wasn't sure because this is such a new product, but this is in the shade Meow. You guys know I love my blushes, and this is the perfect baby doll pink. Oh my god, someone in the comments of one of my TikToks also said that it was reminding them of like a Dior blush dupe, which I can definitely confirm. This is $12. Get into it, bitch. I'm so excited. They do have a few other shades that are more warm, but I'm just a pink kind of girl. So got the Pretty Fresh concealer. I have never used the Pretty Fresh concealer. I've used the Pretty Fresh foundation and I wasn't a fan. This concealer is good, but I would say for more of like a natural day, not a full glam day. I did use this yesterday and I didn't really like it with my full glam, but I'm down to keep trying it and keep, you know, giving you guys my thoughts and opinions. Obviously the first time is not going to be like my full initial thought, but along the way of me using this, I'll let you know how I feel. Overall, very nice quality. This is a cute component. I did used to use their matte concealer, but I didn't choose the matte one this time because I was afraid. My eyes are a lot drier than they used to be in the past, so I'm just gonna stay away from any matte concealer. They let me choose a few items, and then they curated the rest, but they also let me choose the Glitterly Obsessed from Sailor Moon. I am obsessed. I have never actually tried their Glitterly Obsessed, but I want to get into it because I love body glitter. This is the component. This is in the shade Night Legend. I am crying because it's so fucking pretty. Oh my god, I want this all over me. At least they sent me over the Bare Necessities palette. You guys, everyone has been making looks with this. I have not had a new ColourPop eyeshadow palette in such a long time. I used to collect them every freaking drop that they had. I would be on the website collecting their palettes, but over the time I've just come to the conclusion I have too many makeup palettes, so I stopped buying them. But you guys, the fact that they sent this to me, I'm shook. And I used it yesterday and the formula has improved from the last time I've used it, so I can definitely tell you that the ColourPop palette's formula is a lot better. Everything from this month. I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing. I'm going to be bringing a lot more of these every single month because I have a lot more packages on the way that I haven't even showed you guys yet, and brands that I haven't even talked about yet, so I'm very excited to just tell you guys all the juicy tea about the new makeup. Love you guys so much. Again, this would never have been possible without your support. Thank you for 300 subscribers. It means the world to me. I can't wait to continue to build this beauty community and my beauty family. You guys are my besties and you guys made my dreams come true. Girl, I'm obsessed. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I'll see you on my next one. Bye guys.